Seimitsu Motion Drives is a gearbox solution provider. It is Taiwan-based company who is operating all over world. Its servo gearbox products are planetary, right angle, hollow rotary, harmonic and cycloidal. Smd Gearbox comes with the features like high torque, less backlash, less noise, wide range of reduction ratios, 24/7 customer support. Smd Gearbox provide torque rates in various magnitudes up to 530 Nm. The torque is the product of rotational force and radius. Smd provides wide range of gearboxes with different reduction ratios. Reduction ratio of a gear train is the ratio of angular speed of the input gear to the angular speed of the output. Smd comes with very less backlash. Backlash is a clearance or gap between two meshing teeth in gears. The technocrats of Smd Gearbox helps you 24/7 in your automation process. Smd provide integrated solution for customer. For more technical information, visit website www.smdgearbox.com or you can write us on sales@smdgearbox.com.